stop. If you're doing crunches for abs, you've already lost. 99% of people waste months on the wrong exercises. Here's what actually works. Look, I'm about to expose the biggest lie in fitness. You don't need 50 different ab exercises. You need 3 scientifically proven movements that hit your entire core, upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. No gym, no equipment, just results. Exercise 1, the dead bug. Why this works. It teaches core stability while protecting your lower back, something crunches destroy. Lie on your back, arms straight up. Extend your right arm overhead while your left leg extends straight. The key? Keep your lower back glued to the floor, no arching. Switch sides slowly. Do this until your core literally refuses to stabilize. That's when growth happens. Most people rush this. Don't be most people. Exercise 2, hollow body hold. This is what gymnasts use to build insane core strength. Lie flat, press your lower back into the ground. Lift your shoulders and legs 6 inches off the floor. Arms overhead. Now hold. Your abs should be screaming in 20 seconds. The secret? Your core is under constant tension. No rest, no momentum, pure muscle activation. Hold until failure. If you can go past 60 seconds on your first try, you're doing it wrong. Exercise 3, side plank with hip dips. Your obliques, the side abs that create that V-taper, need rotation. Get into a side plank on your forearm. Drop your hip toward the floor, then drive it back up. Controlled, explosive. Each rep carves definition into your sides. Do both sides until you collapse. No set number, just failure. Here's what nobody tells you. Abs are revealed in the kitchen. You can have the strongest core in the world, but if you're eating garbage, they're staying hidden. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Drink water. Stop the late night snacks. Do these 3 exercises 4 times a week. 30 days. That's all I'm asking. Prove me wrong. Drop a comment when you see results.